This my clothes. They have not even dried since. Things that I spread here since morning. Hey! Wow. Cloth is even causing me that like human being. All these ones, they have not dried. This one I just spread. Hey, Faith.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Fine, sir.
Wow. I can see that you are licking Hollandian.
Oh, yes.
Wow. Please, can you give me a little bit of it? The Lola is very nice though. Where did you buy it?
In that malam side.
Yeah. I did not tell me. You would have told me now so that I will go and buy my own. Very sweet. Please add more. Add more. Don't you know that I like you? That is why I'm requesting something from you. How are you doing all these things? Very sweet though.
Okay. Uncle, the one I'm giving you is from here. That one is from up. The one I'm giving you is from here. That one is from up.
It's from up. Jesus! You have been licking by she sees, and you don't tell me. Yes, you are wicked though. What you again? Jesus.